Hasna and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a easy and beautiful bus painting video. So let's get started. But before we go into the video, I would like to say that I couldn't do much of arts, crafts and DIY videos because I was busy with my schoolwork, so yeah. So the first step is to draw a rough outline of a tree so that the paint doesn't get all over the paper. So now I'm using poster white of Akron and poster red of the same company to make the shade hot pink. Poster red is already a really dark pink. It's like reddish dark pink. But I'm adding a bit of white to make it look beautiful, fabulous and vibrant. So now I'm gonna use a earbud and dab it on the paint and then dab it on the paper. Okay, so now I'm gonna use poster white to make a lighter shade of it. Cause I don't wanna waste my paint and stuff. So after you make a lighter shade, repeat the same step, which is take a earbud, dab it on the paint and dab it on the paper. We have drawn the outline to make everything look beautiful and in place. So now I'm gonna be using poster red and I'm gonna dab the paint and dab it on the paper, of course. So now this Akron one and this Camel one are different. This one is lighter than the Akron one. I am also making a lighter shade of this Camel one using poster white, which is from Akron, and red from Camel. So now I was using the brush size 4 to fill in the trunk, and then I'm gonna be using the brush size 2 to draw the branches, because the branches should look beautiful and fabulous. They should look thin. That is the most important thing. So after the paint dries, use white color and the brush size 2 to add highlights, and then I'm gonna be smudging the paint with the brown one using the brush size 12. Wow, it looks so good already. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. See you guys next time. Bye.